Hello everybody, this is Ryan and I'm going to be your instructor for AEP 859 Curriculum and Evaluation of Pre-K Schools for this term. I'm really excited to get to work with you and really excited to experience this course. I want to do a little bit of a disclaimer before we get started. I want you to understand that I need you to be flexible with us as we work through this term. We're redesigning this course and some of it is still being built. So you're going to see changes as we go. So just be flexible and I'm going to be working with you and you'll be fine. So let's get started. A little bit about me. I'm Ryan Cardula and I work for Employed Public Schools. I'm the Director of Assessments and Accountability. A lot of people ask about my job and what do I do? Well, typically what I do is I work with student data. I design at-risk calculators. I work with EduClimber. I also work with assessments. I do all the Kansas assessments, and we do MAPS assessment, things like that. I'm also in charge of accreditation. So we're going into year 5 with KISA, which is really exciting. Next year we'll be back in year 1, and all of our schools will be in redesign. So it's really exciting. So let's get into the class. I want to walk you through a few things to get you started. Whenever I start the class and access the items, I like to access, or you should always access things through Blackboard. If you access things through Blackboard, your authentication is working and things are just going to work for you a little bit better. So the way you do that is you go to Fort Hays State University and click on Students. And from there, you're going to choose Blackboard. Scroll down, find Blackboard, and click on it. And go ahead and log in. It may ask you to authenticate and put your password in. I've already done it, so mine doesn't ask it. But over here on the left, you see courses, and we're going to choose our course. Our course is right here. Yours probably looks similar to mine. Maybe it looks a little bit different, but again, it's important that you pick your course. When our course pops up, you're going to see some items on the left in the black ribbon. I'm going to go over those with you so you can kind of see how things are working. First off is our course website. Here's our course website. Basically, here's a generic syllabus here, some grading information that you can look at, program information, gives you some background for the course. What you're going to want to look at here is you're going to want to look at your modules, which are right down here. So as you can see right now, we have 4 modules, and like I said, moving forward, there's going to be a few more. You're definitely going to have a case study. But what I recommend is you click on the link, and then you take a look at the module. Now, what I do here with my students, sometimes they miss things. They don't read these completely. So what I recommend is that you expand it out, and then you print it off, and then you write notes as you're doing the assignment. Please make sure you're following all the directions and you're hitting all the steps. There's a lot to these. So make sure you're going through and you're doing exactly what it says you need to be doing. So that's the course syllabus. I'm sorry, that is the module 1. You see here's module 2 and module 3, and they all work the same. And again, I'm going to re-emphasize that. Expand it out, print it off, write notes on it, etc. The next thing that's important to you is the Google Plus community. That's where you're going to post your items. So you should be able to just click on it and go right in. There'll be a video associated with this announcement that'll help you if you have problems. But this is where you're going to post your items. And you see here, again, we have 4 modules. There'll be a case study here, like it says case study in week 4. We'll get to that a little bit later, and there'll be some information on that as well. But again, you post your assignments in here, and I can help you with that if you need help. A few other things I want to go over. Here's your grades, meet your instructor. If you want to know some things about me, I told you a little bit, but here's some more. You can click on here and you can actually see me. This is about me. So what I do, who I am, where I work, it's some interesting stuff about me. Here's your course syllabus. Now this course syllabus is specific to me and this class. You see here's my instructor information. Please contact me if you need help. If you have a problem, let's say you're sick, and you know you're not going to make the module due date, let me know up beforehand. I'm very flexible, and I'll work with you. The next part is the course calendar. I'll put the link to the course calendar in the course website as well. But you can see here's your course calendar. I like to flip mine over to agenda. So you can kind of see here's some due dates. So your first module is due July 3rd. Next one is July 7th, etc. And what's cool about this is you can actually add this to your Google community, your own Google Calendar by clicking right here. If you click there, it'll actually add it to your calendar, so it'll be there for you. A few more things. There's some interesting links here to help you with. But that's pretty much how it goes. You get your work from the course website. You post your documents in the Google Plus community. You come to Blackboard to look at announcements and your grades. So I'm excited to get to work with you. It's going to be a fun class. So there's going to be some new content in here, and hopefully it's going to be very meaningful to you. If you need help, please let me know, reach out, and we'll work through the problems. So see you later.